Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I would like to discuss with you about Zoom stock again. So yesterday Zoom stock has jumped more than 40% in one day after its earnings release. According to its latest earning report, the company's earning has beat expectations, with revenue being more than 3 times comparing with last year, and as for the net income, it has been more than 30 times more than last year. So that was totally a shock to me, because I think for the company at the size of Zoom, which is one market cap 120 billion, it still have this much growth. It has been surprising. The stock price yesterday has been grown to 450, although the stock price has been decreased about 7% today to 425, but in my opinion the stock price is still overvalued. So today I want to discuss with you guys why the stock price can increase 40% today, and I think there are 3 reasons. The first reason is the management. So their CEO/founder Eric Yuan, he has been working in WebEx before he started Zoom. So WebEx is a competitor of Zoom, which is also doing the video conference business. I think Eric Yuan has been accumulated so much experience in this industry, and he has dived deep in this area. So that's why he knows what's the pain point of users. So since he knows the pain point of users, so he knows how to improve it. So I think for you, Zoom product, my experience that it's very user friendly and convenient to use. You don't need to download any app. You just need one link. After you click the link, you automatically join the meeting. So for any person with any kind of devices, so this usability saves user a lot of time, and it's easy to get on the go. Second reason is, of course, the pandemic has accelerated the growth of Zoom. Although some investors may think that after the pandemic people would not use Zoom anymore, because when people are back to work they prefer face-to-face communication. But there's also some investors, they believe that like customer habits, once formed, it's easy to change. And once the customers get used to use Zoom products, they are unlikely to switch to other competitors' products like Microsoft Teams, Google Hangouts, or Google Meet now, or Apple FaceTime. For me, I think Zoom's user face is very user intuitive. My personal opinion is it's better than Microsoft Teams and Google Hangouts. The third reason is that Zoom has a lot of developers in China. That's why it can control its cost low and achieve the net income increase, achieved a tremendous growth this year. So I feel like because the labor cost is very cheap in China, they can save a bunch of costs in the talent side. So imagine if they hire all the developers in Silicon Valley, it's probably hard to become profitable like what Slack did. Like Slack is still struggling with their profitability. So unfortunately, I do miss this Zoom opportunity, because I think I bought it once it's IPO'd and I sold it very early. But I think it's very interesting to watch that how they start up the company and play in the red ocean field and finally win the battle. I think Zoom still has a long way to go, since they have no moat. Like this type of software is easy to develop, especially nowadays. Like Facebook has launched the Facebook iMessage room, and Google also launched Google Meet. So the next step for Zoom is to how to compete with these competitors. But the story of Zoom is very dramatic, and I think it will inspire a lot of people who want to do a startup, but they are fierce of competition. So I think the takeaway is that there's always unmet needs from users. It just depends on how deep you are in this field and whether you can take time to dig those unmet needs. So that's all my thoughts about Zoom stock. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!